Alright everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video and to stay tuned on in towards the second half of the video. Right after this chart analysis, I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys, as well as the opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. I managed to find 3 home run opportunities that all went north of 20% plus at their highest point, and that's something you could become part of. If you're interested, the link is down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together. So Nndm has touched the 5s and jumped out of it, and now it's sitting at 655. So we got some clear numbers here to look at, because the lowest point that we've seen in the large bearish run from February all the way to May was 540, and now it's sitting at 597, being the second lowest. And this is going to be important moving forward to watch how this does between 6 and 540 if it pulls back down. And if it left 597 and $6 behind, and the rest here is history, and this is starting to build upward momentum, we have some numbers to look at to the upside. So the first thing is, I would dissect this chart into 2 levels before 597, and the first support is 640, and the next one would be down here at 618. I would watch carefully how this stock is reacting within these levels, if it continues to pull downwards to newer lows, or if the bulls are trying to reappear and bring this back up. This stock has built some momentum here, and the question is, could this be another bull trap as well, like the ones we've seen before? Because right after a big extension, it pulls downwards, it pulled downward, and the question is, will it pull downward, or is this a momentum that can actually pull upwards? So the question is, could it stay upwards? Well, I would look for consolidation or a healthy pullback and bounce to reach newer highs and newer resistance levels, creating that type of effect of a staircase effect, if you really think about it, and continues to reach newer highs. And even if it kind of pulls back around here, do that staircase effect to reach newer resistance levels and get deeper into bullish territory. But now, what resistance levels am I watching if this pulls upwards? Well, the highest point reached in the day was 663, and beyond that one is way up here at 696. I would just round that up to $7. Watch that carefully, and how it reacts above $7 could show some strength from the bulls, and we'll have to see moving forward, based off the history of the chart, what to look at next and how this is reacting. If you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post. Share this with a friend so they can receive the insight as well. And all I ask for is 3 to 5 more minutes of your time. I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys, as well as the opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And that's something you can join and get live access to by joining. The link is down below in the description to the Discord. And we look forward to having you join us. Stay tuned. So the ticker symbol I have to share with you guys today is one that I've talked about before, and we're going to look at it in just a moment. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if that's something that interests you and you want to become part of, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together through the volatility of the market, consistently looking for opportunities. And this is something you can become part of too. And we look forward to having you join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord. So here we are with INFI, GRVI, and SPRT. All 3 of them, we went 3 for 3, gave 20% plus at their highest points. And let's go ahead and look at these 2 stocks that performed beyond 20% plus in just 30 minutes. So INFI started to push upwards, pulled downwards after the bell, and took off to a highest point of 25% plus. And GRVI was sitting sideways towards the bell and took off for 20% plus as well. This was a phenomenal way to start off in a red day when the Federal Reserve was going to speak, and the uncertainty. And the other stock that performed pretty well, and it's still pushing, was SPRT. And here we are with it. You could see it here on the screen. And this stock turns out to pull downwards, right? That's why that instant gratification expectation is not good. You always want to pay close attention to the behavior of the stock, but there's always opportunities, right? So on the first pullback, it dipped down to 763 and jumped up to 838, giving about a 5 to 10% jump, nearly around 8%. And then it pulled back down to 729 and ran up to 870. And if you do the math right there, that right there alone was about 20% plus. It kind of consolidated and ran up again all the way up to the 9s. So this gave already about a 20 to 30% plus jump. And this is what it's all about. This is something you can join me and the other members on over at the Discord. And we look forward to having you join us. And let's go ahead and talk about the stock you want to add to your watch list. Well, a ticker symbol I have for you guys that you want to add to your watch list is jikh, guys. A lot of people have not noticed this very much, but this stock has actually had some strength at these lows. So let's look at it from the 30-minute time frame. You could see that as it pulled downwards, right, it was in a bearish trend. It's had its spikes and it hit lows here of about $10, ran up to 15 almost, and started pulling downwards. And so far, the lowest point that it reached was 1070s, and it's bounced back up, and its solid point has been right up here around 11 to 1120 in that area, kind of bouncing off of that every single time. It just hit 1097, bounced off of it, and it's at 1184. And this stock, if it continues with this consolidation, it's a great point to actually get more knowledge on the stock and maximize on the opportunity, because analysis ratings are pointing this to the upside. And by getting more information on this stock, you'll be able to understand it. But something that the chart is showing is strength. And if it does break through the 10s, the opportunity is even becoming even larger. And it won't be a new low until it breaks through 1010, guys. So that is important to keep in mind. Anything below 1010 is a new low. Anything above it, it's just getting closer to it, making the opportunity even bigger for when this does start to turn around. And the momentum to the upside is presenting itself as an opportunity, especially with the strength that it's been through all this volatility and not breaking through $10, staying above it. It could break through it, making the opportunity larger, but for now it has shown strength. And right now, based off the chart and all the research that I've done and analysis ratings, they're pointing this one to the upside from these levels. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below on this one. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.